Are you ready to discover the best Raspberry Pi projects for absolute beginners? I had GPT analyze over 100 beginner-friendly builds to find the top gems. And today I'm sharing the top 5 picks. If you're just getting started or looking to level up your Pi game, keep watching. Now before we dive in, let me quickly explain how I compiled this list. I used GPT to sift through a massive collection of Raspberry Pi projects, analyzing each one based on beginner friendliness, budget requirements, creativity potential, estimated build time, and difficulty level. After crunching all that data, these 5 projects stood out as the perfect combination of easy to build and genuinely cool results. So let's jump right in, starting with the absolute basics and working our way up to some more exciting builds. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the total classic, the blinking LED. It's literally just making a light blink on and off. But here's the thing, it's the perfect first step into hardware programming, and you'll actually learn the basics of how your Pi talks to external components. Here's why it made the list. Beginner friendly. Even if you've never touched a breadboard, you'll have this working in minutes. Budget. You only need a Pi, an LED, and a resistor. It literally doesn't get cheaper than this. Creativity. While it's not exactly an art project, you can spice it up by changing blink patterns or trying different colored LEDs. Build time. Under an hour, perfect for that first confidence boost. Difficulty. If you can copy and paste code, you're already set. This project is your gateway into the world of physical computing. Master this and you're ready for bigger things. Moving up to number 4, we have the Pi Internet Speed Monitor. Ever feel like your internet is slower than what you're paying for? Well, now you can prove it. This project turns your Pi into a 24/7 watchdog that keeps your ISP honest. Here's the breakdown. Beginner friendly. It requires just basic commands and setup, no complex configurations. Budget. You just need the Pi and your existing internet connection, so it's incredibly affordable. Creativity. While it's more function than form, you can customize your dashboard and set up cool alerts. Build time. About 2 hours. Enough time to set everything up and see your first results. Difficulty. It's mostly plug and play with clear instructions to follow. You'll get a sleek dashboard that shows exactly what speeds you're getting, and you might even discover your internet is faster at certain times of day. At number 3, we're stepping into the world of game development with Pygame Pong. This classic coding exercise is perfect for learning game loops and simple graphics, while building something actually fun to play. Let's look at the stats. Beginner friendly. Ideal for first-time game coders, you'll learn as you build. Budget. It's mostly software based, so no extra hardware beyond your Pi. Creativity. Pong might be old school, but you can easily add power-ups, different ball speeds, or even sound effects. Build time. About 3 hours gives you time to understand the code and add your own tweaks. Difficulty. You'll learn some important coding concepts, but nothing too overwhelming. This project can be fantastic because you're not just following instructions, you're actually learning to think like a programmer. Coming in at number 2 is Pi-ho, and this one's a game changer for your entire home network. Imagine browsing the web without those annoying ads popping up on every device in your house. Your phone, laptop, smart TV, everything. Here's why Pi-ho earned the number 2 spot. Beginner friendly. The installation process is beautifully guided, so it's easy to follow even if you're completely new to networking. Budget. You'll need a Pi and an SD card, but no expensive additional hardware. Creativity. It's primarily a practical project, though you can customize block lists and create impressive dashboards. Build time. Around 2 hours. Time to flash an SD card, run the installer, and fine-tune your settings. Difficulty. Mostly just following clear instructions with minimal coding required. Once it's running, you might wonder how you ever lived with ads. Your entire family might thank you. And taking the top spot is the plant monitor with moisture sensor. This project perfectly combines hardware, software, and solving a real-world problem. Plus, it's endlessly expandable. Here's why it's our number 1 pick. Beginner friendly. Super easy to wire up a basic moisture sensor and start reading values immediately. Budget. The sensor is inexpensive and you might already have the jumper wires you need. Creativity. This is where it gets exciting. You can add smartphone alerts, create beautiful dashboards, set up automated watering, or even monitor multiple plants. Build time. About 3 hours. Plenty of time to calibrate the sensor, set up notifications, and start monitoring. Difficulty. Straightforward wiring and code with tons of online tutorials to guide you. What makes this project special is its potential. Start simple by just reading soil moisture, then expand to automatic watering, plant health tracking, or even a full smart garden system. You'll learn about sensors, data logging, and maybe even keep your plants alive longer. And there you have it, the top 5 beginner Raspberry Pi projects picks for 2025. Each of these projects builds on the last, taking you from simple LED blinking all the way to smart home automation.